You keep missing good entry points, letting yourself be driven by FOMO right before things explode, or FUD kicks in and you end up selling at the absolute wrong time. And that's exactly why I've developed the next indicator for you. Many long-term investors or traders always have the same problem. A lot of people use indicators that are just way too cluttered, and in the end, you still don't know what you should do. Others don't use any indicator at all and are then completely flying blind with no sense of direction. Both lead you to make the wrong decisions, either FOMO or FUD, or you simply miss the best dollar cost averaging entry points and end up leaving money on the table. I felt the same way, and that's exactly why I built the 10x indicator. It's important to note that this isn't an indicator that tells me when to buy or sell, but rather one that shows me when the market is overheated or oversold. But this gives you a crucial advantage in the market because you can see it and simply make decisions based on that. A tool that performs complex calculations in the background and shows you just one thing: clear signals. Red when the market is overheated and green when the market has cooled down. Simple, visual, and easy to understand. That way, I personally can see it immediately. Red means the market is overbought. For me, that's a sign to secure profits now, reduce risk, or exit completely. Green means oversold, which for me is a clue. An exciting zone for dollar cost averaging or short-term trades on the 4-hour chart. No chart confusion, no blindness, just clear guidance. I use the 10x indicator exclusively in my 10x Elite group. The link for the 10 times Elite is below in the video description or in the pinned comment. Get clear signals now, market updates, everything you need, the complete package. I've got a tutorial here for the 10 times Elite, where you can get all the information you need. Have fun and see you soon.